Hey everybody, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today I just had a calling to come on here and create a video for you guys, and if you actually looking at this particular program, Soul Manifestation Manifesting and Healing, guided by Scott Haug, you're actually in the right place, because in this video I wanted to give a whole overview of this actual program, what this program is, and if you doing your due diligence, doing your research, hopefully this video can actually give you a lot of clarity to actually make a informed decision if this program is right for you or not, right? So as you can see, this group is called Soul, and all about manifesting and healing, right? And I'm actually a member of this actual community, and pretty much I've been in this actual community for close to about 1.5 months. I'm seeing a lot of changes within myself, and I'm getting to know myself a lot deeper to what I actually knew myself before. And as you can see, Scott has a lot of presence, especially in the online space, and he's one of the top 10 coaches for Bob Proctor. So if you know Bob Proctor, he's actually passed away now. May his soul rest in peace. And he was also one of my mentors as well. I was listening to him a lot in the early stages when I actually started going into online businesses. I was listening to him on a daily basis, and I wanted to join Bob Proctor's program a while back. Um, then something happened, some other online business came up, so I actually couldn't join his program. But now I actually joined his program, and I didn't even know that Scott was one of his top 10 coaches, right? So with our soul, it actually finds, it always directs us to places where we wanted to go. And back then I wanted to manifest Bob Proctor's program, but now I actually joined his program, Scott's, which he actually teaches a lot of things that he actually learned from Bob Proctor inside the program, and a lot more, right? Deeper conscious, deeper consciousness. That's what he actually teaches inside the program. So as you can see, he actually gives a whole overview of the actual program. And if I actually go in the community section, there's members actually coming in here, giving a lot of inputs on how to manifest, and a lot of members coming in here sharing their lot of results. Also, I also manifested a lot of things coming in the program. So this is my testimonial. I actually give on a daily basis, like what I'm actually doing, and a lot more, right? So I joined his actual program, and I started doing the challenge, which was actually 5-day challenge, I believe. And this challenge I started doing, and I actually manifested close to about $12,000, right? Big disclaimer here, I'm not saying that you're going to be getting the same amount of results, but I actually manifested close to about $12,000, just to show you that I'm not actually making anything up. I'll just quickly show. And in here, sharing win, this is not to brag or anything like that, but just to show you that this program actually does work when you actually put your soul and effort into it, right? I think it was, let me go inside here so I can actually see see the actual manifestation. So yeah, it was close to about $12,000 that actually manifested. Yeah, so it must have been this one. So yeah, different things must have been a while back, but I did actually manifest $12,000. Not to say that this program will give you the same amount of results, but I'm just sharing with you what I actually got for myself, right? So plain and simple. So here we go. Wanted to share my 5-day challenge, which I started 6 days ago, and today I received 12,700 in my bank. Okay, again, not to flex on you, just to let you know what's actually possible, but you might not get the same amount of results. But as long as you're putting the effort, as long as you're doing everything that actually Scott teaches you, you're going to get some level of results, right? And different members will have different results, all got to do with how much you actually implement this actual program. And if you implementing and if you're doing everything that's required, you will see some level of results. Okay, so he basically teaches deep work in terms of getting to know your soul, getting to know how to actually manifest. If you're wanting to manifest a dream job, if you're wanting to manifest some amount of money, income, wealth, abundance, he goes deep into everything, right? And you can see, like, I've started the challenge, this 5-day challenge. Still doing it. Like, it's a 5-day challenge, but you can redo it. Money healing, if you're not seeing the result that you want to see, he goes deep into money healing, conscious healing system, and a lot more. uh, there's like a lot levels of this, and I'm really enjoying this actual program, to be honest. And I've actually been seeing a lot of mindset shift that's actually also happening, and I actually achieving what I never thought would be possible in terms of consciousness and also abundance, right? Because I don't know if you know, but I'm doing YouTube automation, and YouTube automation is awesome. It's a great business model, but in terms of YouTube actually cracking down on AI and stuff like that, they actually also been demonetizing a lot of channels. Okay, and pretty much you have to do a lot of things in terms of getting to create unique content now. You can't have AI avatar, especially the news related channels. They actually terminating those style of channels, and a lot more. Your script have to be um, humanized, right? So you can see humanized here. It has to be humanized. You cannot have same sort of thumbnail patterns. You cannot have script patterns. All these things YouTube is actually detecting. That's why so many people's channels actually getting demonetized, right? And think about it, like, you creating a channel, you putting hard effort into your channel, and you want to create passive income for yourself. But what happens when YouTube actually demonetizes your channel? If you don't have other streams of income connected to your channel, there goes your income stream. But what happens if you still do have that income stream, but what happens if YouTube actually terminates your channel, right? I'm not saying it's going to happen to you, but sooner or later it might happen, it might not happen. But we want to be creating something that's actually long term, right? YouTube just is like a awesome business model, but you want to be putting that wealth to something else, like different, that's actually long term, right? And that's why I actually started pivoting and doing different things. So I'm just not relying on YouTube. That's why I want to be manifesting a lot more than YouTube, right? YouTube is just a starting place, but you just don't want to be stuck onto YouTube, right? I see so many, not to name any names, I see so many people actually just that's the whole thing, like YouTube, right? Which is good in a way, but you also want to be doing other things, right? So for example, the big creator of NextLab, he's creating softwares, he's creating AI tools, right? And he's just not relying on YouTube channel, right? Which if you are just relying on YouTube automation, and you just quitting your job just by YouTube automation, you having only one or two three channels, I'm sorry to say, but that's not a good income stream. That's not a solid income stream. What happens if your channels actually get terminated, right? There goes all your income stream, there goes all your hard work, right? And you do need like proxies and stuff like that to actually not just have one income, one channel, because if you just have one channel on your IP, if that channel actually gets deleted, all the other channels also get deleted, right? So that's a bit about YouTube. And if you know me, you can go and watch my other videos. I've shared a lot of results. Not to say that you're gonna get instant results with YouTube. Not, it does take a lot of hard work and effort to actually make YouTube channel work, right? But going back to this program, Scott's program, I personally love it, right? And if you're looking to go deeper into knowing, getting to know yourself a bit more, getting to manifest, and getting to not be stressed about life. This is an awesome program. I highly recommend it, right? But do your own due diligence. Already only sharing what I actually have got from this program. I'm sharing my experience, and I don't know if you gonna go ahead and get this program, but personally I enjoy it. And Scott, I think he also gives like money back guarantee for I think 7 days, so you can test drive this program, see if you like it. And the support, I'll say, is awesome in the program. They give a lot of support, and it's also very, very affordable for a, you know, for what he actually teaches inside the program. So $49 a month, which isn't a lot of money, you know. So I'll you can go ahead and jump on if you want any help from me. I can also help you out. Just shoot me message on Facebook, and I'm pretty active on Facebook. This is my Facebook profile. I share a lot about YouTube automation, but you can send me message, and I'm pretty active in there. I share a lot of you know stuff about YouTube automation, and you can send me text on YouTube, or you can actually send me text on Facebook. I'll leave all the links below this video so I can click, and we can connect and we can chat. God bless for now, and hope this video actually helped you out, and you have an awesome and a wonderful day. Bye for now.